How to set up minimum order quantity in your Shopify store. To do this, we have to go to the left-hand side here and choose products. From that, I go down here to inventory. And here in my inventory, I can see that here it says available. It says inventory at your store that can be sold. This will determine your minimum order quantity. And here you can see the total amount of inventory at the location, which is the sum of available, committed, and unavailable items. So I will just type in something like 100, and it should change it also here. Then you just go to the top right corner and click on save. And that's it. That's how you set up a minimum order quantity on your Shopify store. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.